Hey YouTube, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at securing the console line on a Cisco switch. So, grab a PC, grab a switch at random, and we're going to connect it to a console cable. So you can use console port to the RS-232 port, fire up the PC, and go into the terminal mode. And as you can see, we are now in the console. So the first step you're going to want to do is create a username. So I'm just going to type in user name admin. We're going to use a secret password because that automatically encrypts as opposed to using the password of plain text. And I'm just going to type in a password. Then what you're going to want to do is go back into config mode. Type in line con 0, because there's only one console port, and just going to click question mark. And there's a couple of commands in here we're going to use today. We'll use others in further episodes. But what I want to do is set the console password to Cisco con pass, and we want to use the exec timeout. This is the amount of minutes that the switch will kick us out if we're idle. So if you walk away or anything for more than 5 minutes, it will automatically log the user out. And then what we want to do is type in login, as that's the command to enable the password to be checked. And if we type question mark, we can either just click enter, and then the user just types in the console password that we've just typed in, or we can use the local local user database to check to make sure that the user is actually a legitimate user. Now, just quickly, if I type in exit and then exit, then do a show run, you can see that the no service password encryption is there, and what that means is it's not going to encrypt the passwords. And when you look at the line consoles 0, you can see that the password is in plain text, which is not great. So the final step we need to do is service password encryption, give it a do write memory, and if we do a show run, we should find that the password has been encrypted, which it has. So it's hidden it. Now, unfortunately, you can't use secret passwords on the console or VTY lines, so you need to make sure that the service password encryption has been enabled. If I type in end and then exit, it's now going to ask us for a username, so type in admin, then Cisco pass, and you can see now we are in. And just do a show run. As you can see, we are in quite happily and securely. Guys, if you found that useful, thanks. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.